Hello students, welcome to another video of Dr. Shoraf's classes. As you know that we are solving the ACET paper, right, of June 2022, and we have already solved the first three parts, that is the mathematics section, the statistics section and the data interpretation section. So from this question number 52 onwards, we will start up to question number 62. We have this English section. So we will solve this in two videos. Okay. Now you have this 52 question number. Let's start with the question number 52. Is that the select the word that correctly completes with the following sentence, right? So here it is given, I am expecting a salary, this within this blank, with my experience, and the a question A B C D, this options A B C D are there. So I am expecting a salary. Here you can see that the option, what is this? So here you can see this commensal. So the commensal means it is an organism that is related to any bacteria, or which actually this feeds on the host. You can see it acts as a parasite. Actually, is a type of organism. So it cannot be the appropriate answer. Next we have the commensurate, equal and similar. So if you are expecting a salary, it should be in commensurate. Commensurate means in proportion, right? So the correct answer, and equal and similar, this expecting a salary equal with my experience or similar with my experience, this is totally, this is, you can say, you cannot, this is not a correct word, because it's when you are trying to expect the meaning, express the meaning, it is vague. So the ideal option, that is the correct option for this case, is commensurate, that is option B. So for question number 52, the correct option is B. Now question number 53, we have to choose the word closest in meaning to the word charlatan, right? So it is given, the option is charlatan. So it is, first one is a cleaning lady, B is fraud, C is pudding, and D is a rude person, right? So what is the meaning of this word charlatan? That is a person claiming, there's a person falsely claiming to having some knowledge or some special skill. That is the meaning of the word charlatan. So from here you can easily identify the correct option, that is B, fraud, right? It is not, this nothing related to cleaning lady or rude person. So it is a person claiming falsely that of having a special knowledge or a special skill. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 54. So we have to find the, choose the word closest in meaning to the word taciturn. Taciturn, okay. So this is taciturn. We have the four options: old man, small pot, understood, and reserved. So the meaning of the word is taciturn. It is untalkative, or you can say uncommunicative. Okay. So a person who is usually, you can say in terms of a person, that's untalkative or uncommunicative. Okay. So in terms of a person, it is totally a nature of introvert. Okay. So with this, the correct option it goes, which goes with the word taciturn, is reserved. Okay, that person is reserved, or untalkative or uncommunicative, means the person talks less. Okay, so the correct option for question number 54 is D, reserved. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question 55, it is given that select the word that is closest in meaning to the word somnolence. So what is the meaning of the word somnolence? It is the state of being in drowsy. Okay, that is sleepiness. You can say the state of being drowsy or sleepiness. So you can directly find the correct option, that is 55C. We have the correct option with it. So that is closest in meaning, that is same as this synonym, you can say the somnolence, it is sleepiness. Let's move to the next question, question number 56. So to find which of the following sentences is not correct. Option A, the committee comprised of older people, right? It is not correct. We have to find which one is not correct. So this is the correct option already. So the committee comprised of older people. The committee was comprised of older people. It is also correct. Okay. Option C, the committee comprised older people. This is not the right one. This is not the correct sentence. And also option D, the older people comprise the committee. This is also correct. Right. So our incorrect option is option C. That is the, here it must be, there is some, either it can be used as a verb or you have to use some preposition after that. So in this C you can find the committee comprised older people. There is no preposition over here. It's comprised of, we know that. So the incorrect option is 56C. Now take a look at the question number 57. Okay, so it is saying that if you look at an extra sheet and then found you didn't need it, you would keep it back, put it up, put it back, keep it up. It is very simple. So the correct option is C, because if you took an extra sheet, then you found you didn't need it, then you would put it back to the place from where you have taken, right? Not the put it up. Okay, so don't, it is not keep it back or keep it up or put it up, so we have to put it back. Okay, now going to the next question. This is question number 58. This is an English section, so we have nothing to solve over here, as you can say by this pen and paper is not required. If you have the this understanding, proper understanding and practice, then you can easily solve these questions. So question number 58 is asking, then which of the pairs has the same relation as colorful, colorless? Okay, so we have been given that is two things, that is colorful and colorless. So what will be the, this, which of these pairs has the same relation? This colorful and colorless is a totally opposite, you can see. So if we check with the option 58, so we have the, so the first option, torrid and frigid. So torrid means the hottest place, it is hot, and frigid is the coldest one. So it is more or less the same. At this colorful and colorless, it is exactly opposite. And let's check with the other option, that is torrid we know, and horrid is something is related to rude, so it is not exactly opposite. Smelly and fragrant, so it denotes the same thing actually, the which is smelly and that is also fragrant too. And the last, it is the frigid and the gelid. Gelid means it is icy cold, means too cold, and frigid is also the coldest. So this option D is also the same meaning. So the out of the four options, the correct option is option A, that is the torrid and frigid. Torrid means the hottest or the hot, and frigid is the coldest or the cold, right? So the correct option for question 58 is A, torrid, frigid for colorful and colorless. Now next, let's move to the next question, that is question number 59. So you have to choose the pair of words that most appropriately completes the following sentence. The granting of your application is dash upon your clearing all the requirements and your recommendation by a or an party. So you have to fill in the blanks. So the granting of your application is contingent, right? So it is, you know that it is contingent. So we have the, not the contingency. So out of the C and D we have this option, upon clearing all the requirements and your recommendation by any uninterested or disinterested. Which one of this the will be the correct option? It's the disinterested party. Okay, so the granting of your application is contingent upon your clearing all the requirements and your recommendation by a or an. So it will be in case of a by a disinterested party. Okay, so the correct option here is option D, 59D. That is the correct one. Okay, so with this we have solved the question number from 52 to 59. So this comprises the English portion. So we have the, for the still question left for English. So we have the 60, 61 and 62 that we will solve one by one in the next video. So within the next video we will complete the English part of this. So I think this I hope you understand what I have taught over here. So it's quite easy. The thing is that you have to practice. If you have the practice, proper practice, and the understanding over here, you can easily score the full marks in this particular section. So see you in the next video with the remaining questions of English.